An earthquake of magnitude 5.9 occurred in the afternoon on Tuesday, November 29, 2022, at 4:45 p.m. local time near Peace River, Alberta, Canada, as reported by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a shallow depth of 6.2 miles. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 4.8 earthquake. A third agency, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported the same quake at magnitude 5.8.